Today we will see the problem on isometry, this problem. So this problem we have seen in orthographic also, where we have converted the 3D view into this 2D. This is front view, this is top view, it is given in the problem. This is from arising only. So in front view we get the length and height. The length is 16 plus 16, 32 plus 30, that is 62 is the length. So this is the horizontal line. Then the length is 62 at 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees. Then the height is 16 plus 26, that is again 42. So height is 42. And the width is 16 plus 16, 32 plus 18, that is 50. So the width is 50. So this is also at 30 degrees. Complete this box. This box can be completed like this. This line must be parallel to this, and again of the height of 40, because the height is total height is 42. Then the length is 62, and complete this box like this. So it is 62 by 50 by 42. Do not write these dimensions on the solution. This is just for your information. Then let us see, there is a base here which is having height 16. So this is 16. Okay, and this is also 16. Draw a faint line here, because it is not, say, the final. Then there is a V groove. You can see in the top view there is a V groove. It is from 22 from here, say 22, and this is also 22. So 42, and this is say 20, because this total is 62. So this is 22, this is 22. This must be parallel to this, then this must be parallel to this, be like this. Then this is having a depth of 9 mm. Here it is mentioned 9 mm. So that 9 mm, take a midpoint of this and get this depth parallel to this width, that is 9 mm. This should be parallel to this. Okay, so 9 mm like this, and you can join this with this, and you can join like this. Then from here draw a line parallel to this. So this will be the V groove. Then let us see this portion, this V groove. This is having the width 20. So mark here 20 mm. Okay, draw a line, faint line parallel to this. Okay, this is 20. Then that V groove is 16 from this side. It is mentioned here 16 and 16. So leave this 16. Also from here 16. This is 30. So this is the V groove. This is dark. This is dark. This is dark. This is dark. This is also 16. and there is a V groove here. So find out the midpoint of this. The total depth of that groove is given as 15. So depth always we take it vertical, so it should be parallel to this. So mark the 15 mm parallel to this, join this. Okay, this should be right, and from here draw a line parallel to this. So this will be its main groove. Then this will be dark. Then from here there are two pillars 9 mm. These pillars are inclined, we have seen that. So this corner is to be connected to this. Then mark this 9 mm and draw a line parallel to this. Then this corner is to be joined with this. Mark this 9 mm and again draw a line parallel to this. So this is what is. Then to complete this, you can draw a line parallel to this from here. This should be parallel to this. Then this should be vertical, and then draw a line parallel to this. So this is the. Then one thing is left, that there is this hidden line shown here and the height is 6. So there is a groove here which is not visible in the front view as well as in the top view. It is 16 and 16. So leave 16 from here, 16 from here, and it is 18. So there is a V groove here. The height is there is a groove here. The height is 6 mm. So 6, take it 6, take it 6, join this, dark it, make it dark. This won't be dark, so it will be like this. And from here, this corner, draw a line parallel to this. This line must be parallel to this. That's all. So this is what is isometric of the problem, which is this one. Isometric view we call it as, because if we want to draw the projection, then this 50 is to be multiplied by 0.815, this 62 is to be multiplied, all these dimensions mentioned here in this diagram are to be multiplied by 0.815. So naturally projection will be smaller than the view, because in view we take as it is dimension, in projection we multiply it by 0.815. So this is what is the diagram obtained after the isometric projection.